Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to today's lesson on teaching you how to sketch better. Well, today we're going to do a fun cartoon that I grew up with. Well, I'm 53 going on 54, so that's many years ago. I'll say it again. His name is Foghorn Leghorn, a classic one from Warner Brothers. If you haven't seen this series, you should. It's a real great character. He's one of my favorite ones. Well, pretty much all the classic Warner Brothers are. I enjoy every one of them. Even Pepe Le Pew. All right, so as you can see here, what I'm working off of a model sheet that I have over on my right-hand side, and I'm looking at his head right now. So I don't have him by memory. I know what he looks like, but I want to make sure I get him exactly. So I need a model sheet. So from that model sheet, what I'm actually doing is I'm just looking where the actual character shape of his head with, and that's when you can make your own expressions, eye closing, and know the shape. Like he has this big beak, and he has these big tufts on for his head, these three little ones, and then underneath him as well. So as you can see, I sketched first was the round circle. I put the crosshair so I know exactly where his eyes will be, and then I can build his beak. Got his whole head working right now, getting around his cheek there. Nice and easy. And he's a fun character. Yeah, he plays with a character, a dog, and also a chicken hawk little character. And it's really a fun series. So if you have to see, it's Foghorn Leghorn, classic animation as well. All right, so here's a bottom for his little neck and everything. Very easy. This is a very simple character, but very well done. Very well done. All right, so yeah, just getting a little bit more. As you can see, the sketching is very loose. And this time, I would definitely go back and ink it in my Illustrator or traditionally, and it'll look really sharp. So this is just to give you the preliminary of what it actually looks like. I actually worked with Warner Brothers doing a whole bunch of character designs for clothing lines for over a year. And a lot of the stuff that was on t-shirts, backpacks, and sort of other stuff, I actually created, and he was one of them that I actually worked on, as well as pretty much a variety of them I worked on there. That was a fun time there. So this is just one of my old-time classic drawings that I love doing, and I'm going to be putting more of these on here so that everyone can see the classic cartoons, and you got to check out the animation as well. All right, so working on the top of his head there again, getting a little bit heavier. There you go. I like that little darker line, more smooth action, a little darker the eyes. As you can see, the eyes are literally next to each other in the pupil. Again, this was a style from the 1940s and the 1950s era. And he changed from time to time from the 70s and the 60s. But traditionally, I like the old classic way a lot better. All right, just about done with him. And of course, when you're always finished, best thing to do is always sign and date it, of course, and show it to some of your friends and family members as well. Well, thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.